In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify homepage. First, open the Shopify website and head to your admin dashboard. From there, click Online Store in the left sidebar. This opens your storefront tools. Next, click on Theme, sometimes labeled Themes, so you can work with the design that powers your storefront. Now choose Edit Theme or Customize, depending on the button you see. Both take you into the same visual editor for your homepage. Inside the editor, you're looking at a live preview of your current layout. The center shows how your homepage looks to shoppers, and the left side lists the sections that make up the page. Select any section to change its content and settings. You can rewrite headings and descriptions, swap images, update links on buttons, and fine-tune spacing or alignment. To reorder content, drag sections up or down in the list until the layout flows the way you want. Use the preview controls to toggle between desktop and mobile so your changes look great on every device. If you want more content, feel free to add sections. Click Add Section. Browse the available blocks your theme provides, like an image banner, featured collection, slideshow, or testimonials, and insert what fits your goals. After adding a section, customize it just like the others. Choose the products or collections to feature. Pick images that are high quality and compressed for speed, and keep text short and clear so shoppers can scan quickly. Beyond the visible blocks, you can also customize other features from the editor. Explore theme settings to adjust colors and typography so they match your brand, and refine site-wide elements like the header, navigation, footer, or announcement bar. Small tweaks, such as consistent button styles and readable font sizes, make the whole homepage feel cohesive. As you work, keep an eye on the preview and make intentional changes one area at a time. When you're happy with the updates, click Save in the top right corner to apply them. Saving writes your edits to the theme, so your storefront reflects the new layout immediately. That's the complete process. Open the Shopify website, click Online Store, open Theme, choose Edit Theme or Customize, review your current layout, add sections as needed, customize other features, and, when you're finished, click Save. With a bit of experimentation, you'll have a polished homepage that welcomes visitors and guides them to the products you want to highlight.